Hello, this is Arjun Ramachandran. In this video, we are going to walk through a short-sighted trade idea in DKS that we just posted for Aslim level 3 and 4 members. For those who are new to our work, what we see here is our weekly cycle chart. These are all manually drawn on all of these charts, and they are simply a visual tool to help us to see the money flow patterns. What we're looking at in Dick's Sporting Goods is that a major top has likely formed in DKS, and we are in a corrective period here with our next key dominant cycle low, which is due 822 to 10.3. You can see we have this downturn here in a mild fashion in the weekly momentum. We are looking for this to get through the key weekly cycle low at 92.31 to really confirm that a major top has formed. And if that were to happen, we'd look for a move down to this 81.70 to 72.20 level here in DKS. Now, what would turn this pattern more positive is if we get through the current cycle high that has formed here at 115.33. If we go ahead now and shift over to the daily chart, you'll see what we're looking at here. This is a very interesting pattern in DKS. What we're looking at is that we are in this short-term corrective period that you see right here. We've already had a minor cycle breakdown versus this key low that formed right here at 105.11. So what this is looking like is a bear flag because we have our dominant cycle pushing down as well as this minor cycle. Our favorable entry is this minor 50 to the 61.8, so that's 103.83 to 105.74. If this were to close back over 108.47, that would render this short side trade idea no longer valid. And we are looking for a move back to this most recent swing low here at 95.47, and then the key daily cycle low here at 92.31. The theoretical risk on this idea is really quite nominal. It comes in around 455, and we are looking for a move of 830 to 1140. So overall, a pretty favorable risk reward trade idea here in DKS. And our next key short-term low is due 422 to 429. Just as a last heads up, we do have a special going on where we are offering a discount on our cycle workshop. So if you want to learn how we do our weekly and daily cycle analysis, definitely check that out. Thanks again, and have a great day.